Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to use Google Chrome on Android. Google Chrome is a pre-installed browser on Android phones. It's one of the best browser for Android and also the most used browser across the world. It is loaded with multiple features that make internet browsing super easy and seamless when switching between devices. Google Chrome Android is one of my favorite browsers that come pre-installed on my Android phone. If you do not have one, then you can download Chrome for mobile from Android Play Store. Google Chrome for Android is a vast browser with many features, settings, and customizations for every user. So on your Android phone, go to Google Chrome. Then to start browsing, you can search here whatever you needed. If you go back, if you see that box with the number 1, it shows you the tabs. And you can create different tabs and go back there if you needed it. And the 3 dots on the upper right, there you can see different settings, which is history, downloads, bookmarks, recent tabs, desktop site settings, help, and feedback. And if you scroll down, you can see here the latest news or latest updates or latest trending articles that Google has. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.